Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. Today is July 3rd. It's Saturday. Got a long 3-day weekend here, so decided to start working on this car. Whenever this video goes live, obviously it'll be a couple weeks from now, but it's about 5 million degrees today. We're going to clean this thing out, assess it. I really do want to build this car. If someone wants it more than I do, then I'll sell it, but I really do want to do something with this car, so this is the first step in that. Like the last 59 I did, the black 4-door sedan, we're going to clean it out, assess it, see what it needs for rust repair, all that good stuff. But a little before and after here, you can see the mouse nest is just pretty crazy in the motor, or in the engine bay here. It's a 6-cylinder 3-speed, no options, nothing crazy, it's bare bones. A lot of cardboard. Seats are tattered. I'm gonna pull the front seat, the back seat, basically just get this thing as cleaned up as best I can and assess what we have and what needs to be fixed or repaired. And then the trunk here as well, just full of a lot of metal, a lot of scrap. The trunk lid's pretty shot on the bottom just from all the mice and the mice piss, unfortunately. But it does seem like a pretty good car back here especially. So let's get it cleaned out, assess what we have here, and we will go from there. I'm going to grab some gloves. I don't want anyone to tell me I need to be wearing gloves. I learned my lesson the first time, so cleaning this one out, going to have proper hand protection. Let's get started. Only been working here for like 2 minutes and just a lot of garbage. This car was off the road for an awfully long time, and it definitely had generations of rats living in this engine compartment. Even the gloves, God almighty, I'm just getting pricked by like microscopic needles. This is not fun, but we're gonna burn all this stuff because this needs to be just burned and destroyed. Hey guys, another pretty cool thing I want to talk about quick, just to kind of confirm that I think this is a government car. So look at the paint. We see SP5B right here for the paint, which is special paint. It's green with white doors on both sides. It's bare bones. It's single speed wiper. Not really any options beside a radio. But the cool thing about this car is that the entire floor pan, or the entire like carpet material, is this vinyl here. Obviously it's brittle now, but this is as bare bones as you can get. When you don't want to pay for carpet, they would give you a vinyl floor covering. So just the fact that it's got literally the most basic of stuff, but also it's got seat belts. I don't know if that's a government mandated program that every car had to have seat belts or, you know, whatnot, but it really leads me to believe that this car was a Department of Indian Affairs vehicle, because it's green with a white door. As you see here, it's a factory two-tone car, so the top would have been white as well. But yeah, this side, the floor pan isn't too bad. I'm going to vacuum it out. We're making pretty good progress here. The passenger side, the passenger side, the front pan needs replaced, and the toe pan. Let me show you guys the motor here. So this is getting too crazy to clean. My shop vac just can't keep up. So once I get my pressure washer back from my sister, I'm going to set it on its highest setting and literally just blow this stuff away. So yeah, this will be cleaned up, you know, in the future, actually probably tomorrow. But as you guys see, the water pump was taken off. This motor is locked tight. It's a 6-cylinder. I know everyone's gonna hate for saying that, but we're not gonna mess with this motor. And trans combination, that'll come out. If anybody wants a rebuildable 6-cylinder, here you go. But yeah, we're gonna keep working away here. I'm not gonna film all this because quite frankly, it's pretty underwhelming. But I will film pulling the seats out, front and back, and then we'll work our way to the trunk. So we're gonna keep at it. All right. Okay, everyone, so I've cleaned out the front part of the seats, or the front part of the floor. I want to pull the seat, and on 59, I think 58 through 64, there's a total of 8 bolts. I know on 59, 60 anyway there is. There's one right here, and then one back here on the outside, then one on the inside there, one on the inside there. They're 1/2 inch. Get a shallow socket if you can. I would not use a wrench, we'll strip them. But these look pretty nice, so hopefully they'll come out, and then once all those 8 are out, seat comes right out. So I'm gonna take those out and then remove the seat. Here's another trick for anyone that has stripped bolts on the seat track itself. If you can get one side off, great. But if you can't, no big deal. You adjust the seat all the way back, and you can get that one out. And you adjust the seat all the way forward, and you can get this bolt out. They're right there directly underneath. It's a 1/2 inch. Do not use an extension, but take those 2 out and the whole seat comes off. So in my case, I didn't want to cut the floor, so right there and right there. But yeah, these bolts are junk, so we're gonna keep on cleaning here, but we are making some good progress. The next thing to come out is the back seat. That one just lifts out. Then the back one, there's some tabs on the inside. You just fold those over, and then it comes up and over, and then yeah, seat's out. So we're making good progress here, but it's hard work. All right, everybody, it's enough for today. I've been out here about 5 hours now, cleaning, take the seats out, more cleaning, burning all the crap in the engine bay, all that good stuff. Here's kind of the diagnosis of the car. It'll need properly a full front piece floor pan. The rear pan's okay. Found one dead mouse, saw one black widow. Don't want to see another one, that's for sure. Scared the hell out of me. This toe pan is pretty much gone. A little bit of flake right here in the seat brace area. Can't get the bolts out. This front pan needs some rust repair. This cowl section right here needs a little bit of rust repair. Driver's side's okay, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow, finish up, clean the trunk out, put the seats back in it, all that good stuff. But yeah, when people say it's easy, it's not. It takes a lot to fix a car. Takes even more to restore a car. So we'll come back tomorrow fresh and keep working. Well, it's the 4th of July. It's Sunday, day 2 here, working on the getting the seat track out. Got these 2. They snapped. Had to cut these 2 off. As you see here, there's not much left of that structure, so she'll need replaced. But now I'm not looking forward to this at all, but the only way to do it is just to do it. So we're gonna clean out this this mess of garbage and see what we have to work with here in the trunk, and then we'll get a better assessment of what the car is in general. So here we go. Well, the trunk pan's a little worse than I thought it was gonna be. Got some pretty good sized holes right here, right in the gas tank area. But surprisingly, the spare tire well is actually fairly decent, which usually these rot first and then the floor pan, so very odd there. The trunk is junk, but I can probably find a green one. That shouldn't be an issue. Some cool things I found though while cleaning. Got a Sneaky Pete rear main bearing and seal puller. Kind of neat. Still in the package, but the package is torn, and this little puller thing here is junk. So kind of cool though. Got some spoons and a fork. I'm not sure what metal they are, but this one is painted. Probably painted in lead paint. I don't know, honestly. Got 1/2 of a gun rack. I think this is a jack, or 1/2 of a jack, and then you have the foot of a jack. So some cool stuff there. Also got some antifreeze, a couple cool glass bottles. This was an original battery cable in a AC Delco packaging, but obviously it's junk now, so that's going in the wire pile. But yeah, we're pretty much cleaned out now. I'm not really sure, you know, if someone buys this car, that's fine, but the plan is to do something with this one. So if I do sell it, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you know what happens with it, but probably replace this pan here, fix the front floor pans here, go with a 283, maybe a automatic on the floor, or a 327. But yeah, she's pretty nice. So if you guys enjoyed the video today and watching me struggle, make sure to leave a like rating, comment, thoughts, concerns, questions, anything like that with this car. Subscribe if you're new for more old car videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you next time.